So to start removing the seat, have a quick look under the seat and see what's going on. You want to see what connectors you've got, you want to see what bolts there are. On this seat, we've got 2 bolts at the front, 2 bolts at the back, and a connector for the occupant weight sensor. So I'll start by undoing the front bolts, slide the seat all the way back. Easy access to these front bolts. Now I'll slide the seat forwards and get to the bolts at the back. We've got 4 bolts out of the seat. Now I'll tilt the seat forwards and then rotate it backwards and have a look at the wiring situation underneath. This is a very simple seat. Under here we just have one connector for the weight sensor in the seat. We'll just disconnect it and remove it like so. Every different car seat's going to be different, and under yours you'll find all sorts of connections, but just undo them all and you'll be fine. That's the seat free, ready to lift out. This is a very light seat because it's a simple, nothing special on this. If you have electric adjustments or heated seat, air conditioning, that's all going to add some weight, so you might need a second person to help you with the lift.